we implemented the engineering design cycle in making this bubble blowing machine, and one of our first objectives in making this product was to make it easy but also exceed all the requirements of E101. So we designed, we had a couple designs. One was using 3D printed parts and the other was using wood as the base. We first thought 3D printing would be easier, but later realized the 3D printing all the small parts was going to be way more expensive and time consuming compared to our other design. So we reverted back to that design and used simple wood parts, a fan, and a CD connected with the magic wands to create the bubbles from the bubbling solution. On the research part of our engineering design cycle, we researched in making the best bubble blowing solution. So from our research, we found using Dawn soap solution and glycerin and water was the best way to make the bubble solution that holds the most bubbles, but also strong enough to hold the bubbles long enough so that it doesn't burst as soon as it's created.
Okay. You ready?
What? Ready for what?
Then having them have this piece.
Okay. So I was going to wire a switch on the fan in series before I got to this, and then this would.
We were thinking about the air thing when we thought about switching it off. But you know those little things that you get for Thanksgiving where they so it's like the suction down, it's like the turkey or the chicken, and you let it squeeze and you let go, it sucks the liquid into it, and you squeeze it and it comes out.
So one of the problems we had with our bubble blowing machine is that our fan, which was a PC fan, wasn't blowing hard enough for the bubble solution to come out of the wands. So to fix that, we had to resort to a hair dryer.
I figured out why my phone blew directly last time. Because there was a time limit.
Yeah.
Alright, so if we need to get there at 8:30 tomorrow. What if we put more water in it? Because like the pressure can make a difference. Should be enough.
So the second issue we had was with the wires. The connectors broke a few times and we actually had to fix one of them on FEDD day itself. The third problem we had was that our container was leaking bubble solution. Our first approach in fixing it was to use a hot glue gun to cover all the corners. When that didn't work, we had to resort to using plastic to cover the inside. Some last minute adjustments.
So when we arrived at FEDD, we brought in our project and then like set it on the table. And then we came upon the two problems as mentioned before. The waterproofness wasn't working and then the battery problem. But after we finished that, we got called up to the FEDD table and our project worked pretty well. It actually blew bubbles quite nicely and blew pretty far. And then after that, we just set it back up to our little station and then let the kids play with it for the rest of the day.
Wolf blowing bubbles. Oh, is that air hot? Oh, yep. Yeah, it's blowing bubbles.
Hey, how you doing?
Never mind.
Good. Well, how are you? I'm well. We're like short on time. We're trying to finish presenting everybody.
I'm going to tell you something really quick. I have a friend here.
So our message to the future E101 students is to make a prototype early and troubleshoot all its design problems. And then afterwards, you can improve upon design and make it better and make it more efficient and make it more presentable.